Pasensya na lang.
Oh, pitik! Pitik na, pitik!
Sa puti na lang namin isisigaw.
Let's go! Nakipol ang bola, binigay kay Arvin. Arvin, balik kay Jeff. Op!
Isa lang to, Joseph. Ay,
Reset tayo to 14 seconds. Game na yan ha, game na ha. Gabriel, to the middle, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni, ay nakuha na pala ni Manuel. Assist ni na yun.
Chris, assist ni Edison.
Edison, okay.
Sorry, hindi ko na-record.
Chris with the 2 points, no?
Hindi ko na-urog yung camera.
Hindi na uro. Oh, focus ka sa ano mo, trabaho mo. Focus ka sa trabaho mo. Focus ka sa mga trabaho natin. Balik kay Edison, no good. Kuha ni Chris ang rebound. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Pau, no good. Foul daw, foul daw. Medyo madilim lang ngayon tonight ha. Pero sige, tuloy yung mga laro. Manuel to Brian. 3 points! Brian! Assist by Migs Manuel. Bas siya pa nag-declare ng assist niya. No? 5-0. Mapi sa loob. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha uli ni Manuel. Manuel with the rebound. Rumaragasa ngayon, Chris. Wala. Foul daw. Ang score? Ha? Oh, wala namang referee. Pero ano, i-check nyo pa rin kung gusto nyo. Pau with the 3-point shot. Up! Foul daw. Reset tayo ulit to 14 seconds to shoot. Pau tries again. No good. Rebound ni Gab. Gab, still dribbling. Still dribbling. Up! Steal by Pau. Hindi tayo magre-record ng defensive stats, sorry. Pero alam nating nag-steal si Pau. Oo. Castillo. To Manuel. 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
5, 4, 3. Gab with the rebound. To Mapi. Mapi loses the handle. Score natin 5-0 pa rin. Ten seconds to shoot.
Manuel, kumpa, wala. Rebound, Jeff.
Kaya nga. 10 seconds to shoot. Gab, no good. Chris with the rebound. Maikpit ang laban mga kaibigan. 5-0 pa rin. Passes to Manuel. Manuel, navigating the floor. Running pick and roll. Steal by. Steal? Steal nga ba? Steal na. Ayan, na-steal na nga. Gab. Gab pa rin. Op. Game time. 11 minutes. Wind, nasa 70. Steal, Nino. Wala. Oh, pinasa sa loob. Mali. Manuel. Op. 11 minutes remaining sa game time. Setting up the play on the right wing ay si Pau. Binigay kay Edison. Swing lang ang bola. Bry. Go to the corner. Manuel. 3 points. Manuel. 3 points. Pass by Brian Gala. Ang score ay 8-0. Naku po. Medyo malalim na ang lamang ng Charlie. Babawi ba? Uy! The bank is open for Weatherman, Paul.
Assist by Jeff.
Assist by Jeff, no? Oo nga. Ten seconds sa inyong shot clock.
Pau to Chris.
Triangle offense, wala. Jeff with the rebound. Jeff passes to Gab. Gab goes all the way.
Damn, intense.
And a foul is called on number 3. Chris Castillo, ang aming pinakaabangan na free agent na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin nagsasign sa Team Papawis.
Number 1 prospect.
Number 1 prospect ng team namin. Arvin with the midi. Arvin with the midi, no good. Manuel with the rebound. Manuel now has 3 rebounds, 1 assist. Pau setting up. Manuel. Oh, he's open all day. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni. No, nakuha na ni Arvin A. What a pass by Gab.
Stop for Arvin.
And Arvin is rewarded with the 2 points. Up. Gab with the assist.
Arvin goes all the way. No good. Up. Ball daw sa likod. Score nyo 8-5. Oras nyo 9 minutes. Gab, baseline. To Jeff. Jeff, pumalakpak sa outside. Paul, will he do it again? No good. Nakuha ni Brian rebound. Bry to Edison. Edison. Bank. Tried the bank, but the bank is closed.
Arvin.
To Mapi. Mapi! Foul. 8-5. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Ang nalalabi. It's time to slam now. Mapi kapos. Rebound. Makukuha ni Edison. Anong kulang-kulang? Ano ko to ah?
Foul.
Uy! What a pass by Pau.
And this foul liniment assist has been brought to you.
10-5. Lamang yung 10. Obvious naman, di ba?
Panghilot yun, di ba?
Oo, panghilot. Paul.
Paul.
Paul, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Edison. Edison now has 3 rebounds. Pau. Up. Free throw. Decide by free throw. Stop time tayo. Miss yan. Okay, bola ng Delta.
Walang trash talk. Ball down line.
Teka lang, medyo intense ngayon eh. Medyo intense. Seryoso si Boss Paul eh. Double screen, double drag. Nakay Gab. Gab, inside to Jeff. Jeff, nabitawan. Out na daw. Ay! Wala kayong pito! Huwag kayong ano. 10 seconds to shoot.
Foul to Bry.
Manuel to corner. No good. Manuel gets his own rebound. And a foul is called. Naiba na lahat. Nabalasan na lahat eh. What a difference 2 weeks can do. Ganun talaga eh. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Chris.
Foul to Chris.
Foul to Chris. $12-5 tayo, 12-5. Gab goes baseline. Up.
Oh, miss again.
Oh, miss nyo ulit. Miss na yan. Bola ng puti. Sinerch ko lang eh, Basketball Arena Music. Tapos nakita ko, yun Pinlay ko lang siya. $20. Bry all day long, no good.
Rebound to Gab.
Rebound ni Gab. Gab has 3 rebounds. Five minutes and 30 seconds. Tandaan, last 2 minutes nito ay stop time ha. Mapi. Mapi, navigating. Mapi pa rin. Up, nabitawan ni Mapi. Makukuha ni Bry. Bry. Goes all the way. No good. Rebound, nakuha ni Gab. Gab with 4 rebounds now. Piling up the stat sheet.
Nice pace.
Gab goes all the way. Taking matters into his own palms. Pasong-paso na yung hands eh. Paus na lang. Oo. Balik kay Pau. Pau, baseline ulit. To Pau again. 9 seconds. 7. Up. Foul tayo. Reset tayo, shot clock. Tandaan, after ng laro nyo, magkakaibigan pa rin kayo, ha? Chris, up. Foul down. Y'all ready for this? Balik sa 40 ng shot clock. Now it's 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, foul ulit. 4 minutes remaining. Namimiligro ang malinis na kartada ng Delta, mga kaibigan.
Natalo sila.
Oh, hindi. Walang talo parehas yan. Walang talo parehas yan. Kaya nga sila yung ano ngayon.
Kompleto na ba tayo?
Championship to eh.
Okay.
Edison, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Arvin.
Dapat ganun no? Parang fresh ng championship.
Pag hindi na-settle lang. Pag hindi lang na-settle.
Okay. Walang pa tayo no?
Walang pa tayo yata.
Si JB?
Deo, nandyan eh. JB, wala pa. Nandiyan na si Arvin L eh.
Good.
Oh, good daw. Sino namasa nun? Sino yung nag-assist? Si Gab. Ang score natin ay 12-9. 3 minutes remaining. Ang lakas ng hangin. Chris to Edison. Kick out pass. Brian para steal. What a steal by Gab. Gab will go all the way. 2 points. Pinagpag ang depensa ni Boss Pau. Mapi with the assist. And it's only a 1-point game. Shot clock, 6 seconds. 5, 4.
Edison, mid.
Reset tayo. Kay Pau yun. Rebound.
Rebound daw, out.
Miss tayo. Pag hindi agad ma-decide, miss nyo agad. Oh, bola ng blue.
Ball down na iba. Good ha?
16 seconds remaining sa shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock.
God, Paul.
Paul, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Bry. Oh, foul na daw. Kay Bry na yun. Credited na kay Bry yung rebound. Time remaining. Oh, last 2 minutes na. Edison, di tumira. Ayan, tumira na siya. Pasok! Edison with a dagger 3. It's now 15-11.
Assist ba ni Paul?
Hindi. Kasi may, tumagal sa kanya ng at least 3 seconds yung bola. Mapi, kick out pass. Jeff with his own version, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni. Okay, outside daw. Team rebound lang yan. One minute and 25. Lamang ang Team Charlie. To Edison. To Chris. Chris in his comfort zone. Still 17 seconds sa shot clock. Pau to Migs. Manuel! Foul. Foul tayo doon. Chris with the 2 points. Sino namasa?
Galing sa labas eh.
May assist yun. Si Edison, no?
Hindi ko napansin.
Hindi ko napansin din eh.
Si Edison na lang credit natin. 17-11, 55 seconds. 12 seconds, shot clock.
Mapi. Good job.
Mapi to Gab, no good rebound mo ni Chris. Chris with his third rebound. 15 seconds, shot clock, 15. 10 seconds, shot clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rebound D.
Rebound. Ako ni Arvin. Hindi pa tapos ha, hindi pa tapos. 20 seconds. Muntik na ma-steal. Mapi. Yun lang.
Hawak.
Op, hindi pa tapos ang laro. Aba. Yun lang. We still have 8 seconds. 8 seconds na lang yan. Game clock na lang yan. Pero 6 ang lamang. I think we have a winner.
Uy, umabol.
Oh, umabol ng 3 points si Paul. Final score 17-14 and the winner of this match is Team Charlie.